The 1964 Civil Rights Act actually hurt black people in a lot of ways. And let me tell you why. Roll the clip. Welcome back, class, and happy Sunday. If this is your first time here, this is our digital classroom by the name of Unspoken Curriculum, where we talk about politics as well as history. Sometimes we put them two together. We're going to have a quick lesson here today on the 1964 Civil Rights Act, all right? That act railroaded colored Americans. All of the civil rights bills before that was specifically to address the problems within colored America. But it was railroaded in the 1964 version of this. It now changed the verbiage and the language from American Negro, we can say, to now saying race. They also added in two different things. One was religion, the other one was sex. The sex part of this was added in as a joke. Your Democrats thought that adding that in would make the Republicans vote against the bill, but it backfired. And Republicans actually supported it. And even your woman-led Democrats at that time, they came together with Republicans to get sex entered in. So, all of you women who are voting today, especially you black women, realize that the Democratic Party did not want you voting. It was a joke. Let's get back into the racial part of this. Now, as you see today, a lot of different minority groups, anytime they are fighting for anything or they're going through a struggle, they love to tie themselves into the black community by way of the Civil Rights Act. They always try to make us feel like we should understand where they're coming from because our people went through it. You are correct. Our people went through it, not everybody else's, all right? And let me add this on here to kind of show you why I say that. A big bill came right after the 1964 Civil Rights Act, and that was the Immigration and Nationality Act of 1965. That act is what opened the floodgates to immigration inside of our country, all right? Before that bill, America had a quota system. They was not letting everybody inside of America. We'll use Mexico, for example, only because they make up a big part of our immigration right now. And before 1965, America could say, look, we're going to only accept 2,000 of y'all this year. After that, no one else can come. You have to wait till next year. And they did this all over the world for different countries. But they did give European countries a higher threshold, right? They were able to bring in more people. But the other countries, very little, all right? Once these people started coming into our country, this is when they started flooding in our communities and flooding in our businesses, all inside of the black communities. That is why you see so many different minorities running all of the stores, running all of the businesses. They've been doing that since the late 60s all the way up to now. That is what the Civil Rights Bill of 1964 got us. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Comment, share, make sure to find me on that Y app. You can find out how to get me there in my bio on TikTok. I'll see you guys in the next one.